Alright, what's up guys? I'm here at Dr. Fam's facility, Core.
That's right.
Here in Anaheim Hills, and you guys been concerned for my health and asking how I've been, so I wanted to do an update. This is basically a few days right after the slam, and I want to come in, make sure I was all good. So we're gonna see how I'm feeling. I mean, I'm actually feeling way better than I had thought. I think I have like normal symptoms of like a car accident, probably, right? Just sore, my whole neck. I mean, my whole body's pretty sore. I put it through some trauma,
Right.
Even my leg. So my initial thought when I fell, I thought for sure I blew my shoulder out or something because I landed on the back of it so hard. And when I was lifting, my shoulder was super sore to lift. So I thought for sure I've been having those AC joint things be very sore. So I thought like, damn, I blew my AC joint out and I was gonna be out for a while.
Right.
But man, the next day my shoulder's been not too bad, just sore. My neck was really sore up in here, my trap actually more. But I would say the biggest thing that's sore on my body is maybe my rib. I'm thinking probably potentially bruise a rib pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
With the impact.
Yeah, the way Big Boy fell, I mean, hit hard. Good thing he's been working out with us and, injury proofing his body.
Yeah.
All the years of working out and doing specific shoulder and AC joint things. Because it could have been a lot worse. So it slammed pretty hard, but let's check it out. What happened?
Yeah, let's check it out.
All right, so what we're going to do here first is check out the shoulder area, clear that out. Check the neck area, make sure that's all good. That's very important. Make sure the spine is intact. And then we'll check out the rib because that seems like the big problem that Big Boy's having.
Yeah, no, people were even concerned. Maybe check my collarbone, make sure that's not. A lot of people like, damn, I thought you blew your collarbone, or So yeah, I want to get it checked out. Let me know, doc.
All right, look up for me. Any pain with that?
No, just soreness.
Go ahead and look down all the way. Hold that position. Any pain there or down the arms?
Nothing down the arm, just sore.
All right, go ahead and look at me. Turn your head all the way to the right, and then all the way to the left. Nothing there, huh?
It's just sore, like these muscles, I guess you could say.
Keep looking that way. Down in this area.
Yeah, it's sore in there.
Yeah, so checking out the collarbone, making sure that's all intact right in here. And down in this area here. All right, go ahead and look straight ahead. Lift up your right arm. Yeah, straight out in front of you here. Hold it right there. Don't let me move you. You good right there?
Yeah, no pain.
Turn the fingers down. Hold it right there.
Yeah, no pain. Just my rib thing. You can feel it.
It's in the rib, right?
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead, come on this way. I'm gonna push you, don't let me push you, all right? All right, good, I'm gonna pull you out, don't let me pull you. Good, it's good and strong, so that's important because we wanna make sure all those tests, that's intact, because we don't wanna blow a collarbone out, AC joint and all that sort of thing. All right, go ahead and lay face up, man. So you can either be the back or the ribs. Right in this area here, I'm gonna check out the ribs first, and then come into the mid-back here. All right, hey, breathe into my hand. Is that painful when I press on it there? All right, let's go ahead and turn over face down. All right, so these ribs, they run from the spine all the way to the front, just like this. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be checking out.
No pain there.
You all right?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
I heard it felt like crack, huh?
Yeah.
Let's put it back into place right there. Shit, man. Already feeling better. All right, then where we slammed down is right here in the delt area. So let's see. You okay?
Yeah, nothing
No pain?
there. Mm-mm.
All right, go ahead and bring this hand up. Bend the elbow. Bring it up like your hands behind
I'm
you.
already
Now, hold it right there, man.
Right.
Don't let me move you. You doing good?
Yeah.
It's just the trauma from slamming down on here. Bruised up, banged up, but nothing.
So what up higher? Higher.
Right in here?
In there. Yeah.
That's the area?
No, I don't feel anything there, no.
That's good. I mean,
higher
everything's
than,
intact.
like, to the outside maybe more. Yeah, like in there. But yeah, I don't feel anything with your pressure.
That's good.
It's just sore, nothing where I'm like, ah.
It's just soreness, you know, when you hit hard like that.
So it just looks like soreness?
Yeah.
Dr. Fan?
That's right. So right here, what can happen with a traumatic accident, like a car accident, a big fall, a rib can come out of place. And what we'll do is reset it, but you know, thank God, big boy's okay, everything's in line. But a big fall like that, you're bound to have some soreness. So I'm happy to see that, you know, big boy's all right.
From what you can tell, it just looks like trauma.
Yeah.
So no ribs are out, no misplacement. You think maybe a bruise maybe could be in there?
Could be, yeah, but not out of place because you'd see it and I would feel it. Now we got a little pop. That might just be things settling back into place.
Yeah.
Broken rib, you see black and blue, all like a streak. Black and blue, every time you breathe, it would hurt. So I don't think you have that either.
Okay, what about, do you think I could have blown out maybe my scapula muscles maybe?
Could happen, yeah. It could just be real sore. I mean, when you slammed,
Yeah.
it was good that you've been, you know, working on the scapula, you've been working on all these shoulder blade things because, you know, PT is not just about getting stronger, it's about injury prevention.
Prevention, yeah.
Yeah, we're not just rehabbing from an injury, but you're preventing future injury. So if those muscles were weak, they might have let that arm dislocate or even worse, you know?
Yeah, so when we were there, Tony was saying, I believe the last guy that tried and fell, which he said he was a skater, this and that, he broke his arm in like 2 places.
Yeah.
One of the guys said that they broke their, not them, but the guys that tried broke his arm here.
Yeah.
So I was, you know, obviously they told me this after I tried, you know, so they didn't scare me, but yeah, I thought for sure it was my shoulder when I fell, so I'm super thankful. And you're saying it looks like my ribs look okay, huh?
Yeah, looks like it's in place. I mean, it's okay that it's not out of place and not broken. But anytime you take a big trauma to the ribs, it's like these boxers that they come out of a fight and they're bruised for weeks or they're, you know, hurting for weeks.
Yeah.
They just got all this trauma to that area.
So it looks like it's just sore from the trauma, the impact. Obviously, I'm 335 pounds,
Yeah.
falling down from 13 feet pretty much.
Yeah.
It's a lot of impact, but I've done the prevention here. I've also got a lot of mass on me, muscle mass on me, so kind of like armor, built like a tank on.
That's right. Hey, I'm sure that ramp probably got a big old dent in it right now.
Yeah, that's what they were saying. They're like, hey, Tony, you got to look underneath the ramp. I bet you the screws are out or something.
Man.
Yeah, no, I think I did more damage to the ramp, you know, so hey, God, not hey, God, but hey, guys, thank God I'm all right. And we're going to keep doing some extra, we're going to keep checking it out.
Yep.
Maybe go through a little bit of treatment. We'll take you guys through that. But it looks like overall, I'm okay. So I hope this is a good update to you guys. We'll keep updating you as time goes on. We're going to show some treatment. But as of now, it looks like I'm good to go.
That's right.
So just a little bit of rest and treatment.
That's right. And we'll take care of Big Boy. He'll go tackle that ramp, you know, pretty soon.
Hell yeah. So that we're just doing, this is the laser treatment just to help circulation and things like that?
Yeah, so if there's, you know, probably got some dealing with some inflammation out in there, so this will help kind of increase that circulation, get all that stuff circulating, get in and out of the system so it's not just sitting there and pooling. And then, yeah, man, just like we did for the shoulders and all that, this will hopefully just help up with the heal process.
Perfect.
Get this guy here so it's not falling over. There we go. Just keep that flush. Keep that there for now. Good. Cool. And I'll just keep coming back to cycle it through, alright?
Perfect. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries, man.
Alright guys, so getting some treatment. I'm on my road back. I'm feeling alright, man. I'm thankful, super thankful that everything's okay and it's just some normal trauma. I mean, from having a big impact like, you know, car accident or getting hit really hard in a football game, whatever it may be. But I'm okay. Thank God, Lord willing, I'll be back soon. And I'm just thankful for, I have good people around me to help support me. I can hit up Dr. Pham, come through his facility and have me check me out. And man, so I'm on my way back. I appreciate you guys looking out and being concerned, but I'm okay, guys. We're gonna keep getting some treatment, and I just wanna say thank you for everyone supporting. I can for sure, when you do that, I feel like a fiery sensation.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
That's a spot there. And that's all muscular, man. So that's good. Muscular is way more preferable than breaking something or dislocating something.
All right, doctor, so what can I do? This is my biggest question. What am I physically able to do workout-wise?
Well, taking a look at how Big Boy was, it looks like everything's in the right place. Nothing is torn or fractured, which is a good sign. So what I recommend for you is, ice in the area if it's real sore.
Okay.
But better than just rest is an active recovery. Do light work. You can press. You can do a little bit of rowing. The rehab exercise that we showed you before.
Okay.
And that should get circulation to the area and help it heal up and not get so stiff and so tight.
So you recommend just do things that I can do, right? Like that my body can withhold and I don't feel too much pain?
Yeah, right now you're going to be fighting off a lot of stiffness and tightness. So
that's definitely what I got.
Just get the circulation going. Don't just lay up on the couch. Keep your body moving, keep your body fluid, keep the blood circulating.
The blood circulation helps recovery, right?
For sure.
I was asking Dr. Pham earlier, how do people that get in bad car accidents, how long does it take for that whiplash to, go away? Like you said, people come in here with no broken bones, no fractures, but they can barely move.
That's right.
It's from the whiplash, right?
That whiplash effect can really do a number on patients. But, Big Boy's real sturdy, so he should heal up. He heals up faster than a normal person. So, a week or two, expect to see him back in full force.
All right, guys. So there you have it. This is my road to kind of recovering from this crazy slam. And I thought I'd update you guys. This is my first visit in here with Dr. Pham. And thank God that no broken bones, my ribs aren't out. Pretty much the best outcome that I could have from that hard of a slam.
Right.
So, just some beat up muscles, beat up body. We're going to recover. We're going to rest a little bit, get that active recovery in. And, man, I'm looking forward to coming back. I just want to say, make sure you guys check out Dr. Pham's facility, Core.
Yep, Core PT, Anaheim Hills.
Core PT, Anaheim Hills. And I want to say thank you for everyone with all the DMs, messages, comments. I've been getting normally I get hundreds. I've literally got thousands this time of people supporting out there. So I want to say thank you guys. And sometimes you got to pay the cost to be the boss. And that's what I did. But I'll be back. And like I said, thank you again for all the support, you guys. Much love, heavy hitters. Keep banging.